Welcome to Arun's Techforge Python programming series. I am Arun Barua and I welcome you to the Python programming series. So let us begin.
We are learning Python and we are in chapter 6. Today we will learn filter function. Now what is a filter function? As the name suggests, filter extract each element in the sequence for which the function returns true. Okay, filter takes a function returning true or false and applies it to a sequence returning a list of only those number of sequence for which the function returned true. So in the above means previous example, we have seen the map function, right? And before that we also saw a lambda function. Now let us modify and we perform a filter operation here. Let us run this cell. Let us apply a map function. Okay, and we will not define square function here. Instead we will use a lambda function. Results equal to list of map of lambda x. Okay, and what this x should do? X should do the power of 2 or the square of 2, right? Then we will apply this function to our list of numbers. Let's click results. See, we are getting the result, right? And these are the original numbers and these are the square of that number. This is correct, right? Now let us apply a filter function and filter out the numbers greater than 5 and say x is less than 50. Okay, so partil partial results results equals to list. Okay, then we will write filter. We are using a filter function and applying a function, and that function we will write lambda x, and what this x should do? X greater than 5 and x less than 50. Where we are going to apply? We are going to apply to this particular result. Okay, run it. See the partial result. So we are getting number 6, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, right? Why we are getting this partial result? Because our condition is x should be greater than 5. So after this 1, 4, we have 9, right? And it will, and x will be less than 50. So 49 is less than 50. So we are getting these partial results. So in other words, we have filtered out a portion, okay, from the result list, and we have provided the condition using this lambda function. So this is the end of filter tutorial. Okay, next we will see the reduce function. Thank you so much, keep watching and stay tuned.